Alright, what up with YouTube? This the Box Chevy, 1984. The motor and transmission came out of a 2001 Chevy Silverado. So what we finna do right now, finna jack it up. And then on the bottom, the transmission pan, we're gonna change the fluid and we're gonna change that gasket that go around there. And we also gonna change the filter. So I'm gonna set the camera up and I'm gonna show y'all how to do this. I heard my boy Twin, master mechanic right there. Yup, got the fresh little braids on them. So yeah, we finna jack it up. I ain't gonna show y'all how to jack up a car. I will hope y'all know how to do that. But I'm gonna get back to y'all when it's on jack stands. All right, y'all, so to take the transmission pan off, what you wanna do is when you get under the car, you're gonna have bolts on the side. You're gonna have them on the front, the other side, and the back. Now remember this right here, this is your indicator that goes to the front. By the front, I mean the front of the car, like up towards the oil pan to the front. So make sure you put that back on with that face in the front of the car. I'm gonna come back and tell y'all the size of these bolts. I'm looking through them right now, but you got 1, 2, you got 4 on this side, 4 on that side, and then if I'm correct, it should be just 3 on the fronts and the back. So I'm gonna set my phone up on time lapse while we take these off, and then yeah. All right, so you want a 13, or you could use a half. It's a 13. So yeah, if you got a 13, or if you got that size right there, a half, you just want to take these off. When you do it, you want to go side by side, you know what I'm saying? And then when you put it back on, you also want to go side to side. So I'm gonna do the time lapse, so I take these off. All right, y'all, so here go the fluid, and as you can see, even through the camera, this shit is absolutely dirty. All that shit is just nothing but dirt. It don't even look red no more. In person, it look brownish black. So that's that. Got the little makeshift band-aid. My boy Twin still out here with me. So what we doing right now, we already got this cleaned up. Oh, shoot. So we're gonna finish getting this off. We're gonna clean the inside back out. I'm gonna go ahead and clean the bottom out. You know what I'm saying?
Away from the body.
Yup. So yeah, I ain't really gonna record this. I'm just letting y'all know where we at in the process, and I'm gonna get back to y'all when we put it up. All right, so we got it all cleaned out. It's dry. We just re-wiping that motherfucker. We went ahead and just put all the screws in, and then when we put it up, we're gonna start from the corner. So we're gonna go boom over there, and then over there, and then back over here. So basically just cross pattern, like when you putting your lug nuts on, type shit. So we finna go ahead and put that back under there, and I'm gonna put it back on time lapse for y'all. All right, y'all, so we got the oil pan, the transmission oil pan back on. So like I told y'all, put your bolts back up on each side and then tighten them up. You can go one by one, or you can do cross pattern, but just make them flush. Don't tighten them all the way, but make them flush all around the transmission oil pan. And then once they all flush, then yeah, you're gonna hit your corner. So you're gonna go from here, then you're gonna go over there, then you're gonna come over, then you're gonna go up. You're gonna do your 4 just like that, and then you want to go side to side. So tighten this one, tighten that one, tighten this one, tighten that one, tighten this one, tighten that one. And then when you come to the back of the transmission oil pan and to the front of it, well, this the front, my bad. But when you go from the front to the back or back to the front, do the same process. So tighten this up, tighten that up, tighten this up, tighten that up. And just keep doing that the whole way around the whole transmission oil pan. And then that's pretty much it. So yeah, make sure you torque them down too. Alright, so we just pouring this fluid in here right now. We already got that pan back on there. When you installing that pan, just put it on there how I told y'all to put it on there. Alright, shit, I'm spilling this out like a bit.
Alright, leaking out there like that. Oh, that plastic? I got you. That's Dragon Ball do-rag playing in the background, y'all. Shit.
Yeah. Y'all can't always listen to that rap music, man. Y'all gotta change it up every now and then.
Alright, hold on. Back up for a little bit.
And once y'all pour all of it in there, before you crank your car up, go check on the bottom and make sure you ain't got nothing leaking from that pan. Make sure you got all your bolts tightened up right. And when you put it in the transmission, put your dipstick back in there. Check it, make sure your fluid's sitting right, all that good stuff. And then just let it sit in the transmission for a little few seconds, few minutes.
How much in there already?
I put 1 quart in there.
How much live in there?
What we sitting at? Cause that was 1 quart, so that's...
I said, how you ready?
I put a little bit more in there. Really?
A little bit more, yeah, then we're gonna crank it up and pour the rest of it.
I got them fixed. That's reverse. Let's drive.